Holly Giles from the Giles Frontier, and I am here to invite you into our membership program for our latest course called the Modern Feed Sack Revival. And what that is where we teach you how to sew tote bags out of feed bags. Now they could be from dogs, cats, cows, goats, and even cute little chickens. We're going to show you step by step how you start with a giant 50-pound or 25-pound bag of feed, empty of course, cut it down and make wonderful tote bags out of them. Now this class is great for all ages. You do not need very much sewing skills. We will go through every step with you. If you have a sewing machine and know how to just make a basic stitch, you'll be able to make a tote bag. There's lots of different things that you can make with them. We've made smaller handbags, lots of different sizes and varieties. There's lots of different colors of these bags, and we'll talk about how you can find them, where you can get them if you don't have your own chickens or goats or cows. And where this premise came from was, do you remember maybe your grandparents talking about feed sack dresses and tablecloths and different things like that? Well, my grandmother, her grandmother made those things for them when they were growing up. And back then, feed sacks were made from a burlap type material. And sometimes they even had patterns on them, like floral patterns or stripes, or had words on them even. And little girls would have dresses made out of them. My grandmother said her grandmother made them field shoes out of them as well when they were out in the fields in the summertime. So this is my modern take on the revival of doing something with feed sacks. Now, this also applies to recycling because, of course, what are you going to do with the bags when you're done but throw them away? But I'm going to show you how you can take this plastic material, reuse it, and turn it into a fabulous tote bag you can use at the farmer's market, at the beach, or anywhere in between. So join us inside our membership program at thegilesfrontier.com and join us for this fabulous class on the Modern Feed Sack Revival.